Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the power of home-based business and how it can help you make more money and live a more flexible life. Many of us are used to the traditional 9-to-5 office job, but more and more people are now realizing the benefits of working from home. Not only does it offer more flexibility in terms of when and where you work, but it can also be a great way to increase your income. With a home-based business, you can start a side hustle or turn your passion into a full-time career. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a consultant, or a coach, there are endless opportunities to make money from home. Some popular examples of home-based businesses include online tutoring, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and social media management. These businesses require minimal startup costs and can be run from anywhere with an internet connection. So how do you get started with a home-based business? The first step is to identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are the things that can help you create a successful home-based business. Once you have a business idea, it's important to research the market and see if there is demand for your product or service. You can use online tools like Google Trends and social media to see what people are talking about and what they need. Next, you'll need to set up your home office. This can be as simple as a desk and a chair, or you can create a more elaborate setup with a dedicated workspace and equipment. Finally, it's important to manage your time effectively. Working from home can be distracting, so you'll need to set boundaries and create a schedule that works for you. So there you have it, the power of home-based business. With the right skills, mindset, and dedication, you can create a successful business from the comfort of your own home. Not only will you make more money, but you'll also have the flexibility to live the life you want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.